Hello, beautiful family. Thank you so much for clicking my video. The wig that I have for today's wig show and tell is from Myfirstwig. The link to this wig will be in the description box with other website links that you might be interested in. When you order, the wig comes stored in this silk baggie. They also send out a Myfirstwig edge band. Ooh, there is a thank you card that comes with a coupon code that expires in 2024. It's for any wig on their website. And I got this cute pouch with 2 hair clips and a rat tail comb. The wig comes neatly packaged. They also sent 2 wig caps. There's a slip as well with the wig information on it. I will be sure to leave the wig specs in the description box. Here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the nape area, and adjustable straps. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band that comes with 3 hook settings, and the hair texture is Yaki. The wig title on the website is Highlight Blonde Middle Part Straight Glueless Lace Front Wig / LFW099. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Myfirstwig did a great job plucking the hairline. The hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots come bleached, and the hair comes pre-parted as well. And this is how the wig comes when you order. This is a wig that is beginner friendly. I used True Match lace tint in the shade bronze, and I sprayed 1 layer of this underneath the lace. I would show you guys how I sprayed the lace and blow dry it, but when I do, it splashes on my walls. So just know that I spray the lace tint underneath and blow dry it on warm until it's completely dry. The hair on this wig can use some straightening, so I'm gonna go in and quickly straighten this hair. When I got to the frontal parting space, I made sure to go in and do small sections when I was straightening. After I went in with the flat iron, then I took Myfirstwig flatway tamer and applied some of that to the roots of the hair. Then I go in with my Andes hot comb on the highest temperature setting just to lay down the roots, and that also helped melt the wax stick into the hair so it can lay the flyaways down. After I was all done, this is how the end result came out, and this wig is laid. Now I need to cut off the extra lace in the front, and this time, instead of using some eyebrow razors, I'm gonna go in with my zigzag scissors because I found them. So I start in the middle, and then I just take my time and cut right along the hairline. Using zigzag scissors will help the lace have like this jagged effect, so the lace isn't so noticeable on the skin. Lace comes in the nape area. Be sure to cut that off as well. And now it's time for the wig install. I just went in and popped the wig on my head because we got to get straight into this. Like, we ain't wasting no time. And look how good this wig looks just sitting on my head. And just a heads up, so far I really didn't do much but straighten the hair, apply some lace tint, and cut off the lace in the front. Myfirstwig did all of the work, the hair coloring, the bleaching the knots, the plucking of the hairline. Like, what? Let's do this, y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The hairline on the lace was a little longer than my hairline, so I just cut off some extra lace by the ear tabs. I'm going to use bedhead hardhead spray and spray one layer of this on top of the lace to lay my lace down for this wig show and tell. When you get the wig, it do come with a edge band, but I just grabbed the first edge band that I saw. So I just put my edge band on top of the lace of the hairline, then go in with my blow dryer on the warm setting for about 2 minutes. Y'all cannot tell me this wig is not cute. Ooh, this wig is so cute, and I have seen a lot of highlight wigs out here, but this is my first Yaki texture pre-highlighted wig, and I must say Myfirstwig did not disappoint. The hair texture feels realistic, and what I love about the Yaki texture, it's soft and it's not brittle. You ever touched a Yaki texture wig or just hair in general and it's like kind of dry, has a dry feeling? This feels like a moisturized Yaki texture. Really nice, I like it. They did a good job on the hair density. The hair density is not too thick, not too thin. It's right in between. It feels like about 3 bundles with a 13x6 frontal. I really like how on Myfirstwig website, they have different cap sizes. You can get size 1, size 2, or if you need a customized size, you can email them and let them know and they will definitely accommodate you. They did a really nice job on the cap construction. I'm a person that like to split my hair in the back, so I definitely had to test that out, and my first wig passed the test. I love the fact that I split the hair in the back and my tracks isn't showing and you can see my wig cap. I could have split it more in the middle, but that split works for me. And the length that I have is 20 inches, and it's definitely true to length. It falls 20 inches on me. My height is 5'6". When I was styling the wig, I got 0 tangles. As for shedding, I did get shedding, but shedding was not hectic. To me, it was on the low side. On their website, they have 2 plucking method options, and the one that I have for this wig is deep and ultimate pre-plucked hairline. That would be a extra fee, but to me it's worth it, only if you're a person that like that extra plucked hairline, so it looks really jagged on your wig. Wearing this wig with a half up, half down style is really cute, especially if you don't want the hair in your face all the time. And because it comes with a 13x6 frontal parting space, that gives you a lot of styling options. And to me, the deeper the parting space, the more natural a wig looks. The highlights on this wig is what really make this wig pop, down to the hair texture, because in person, it's not really giving what it's supposed to give on camera, but it's still giving what it's supposed to give, if that makes sense. And if you go ahead and put it in a higher ponytail, that face framing highlight in the front towards the top is just giving, I don't know, rock star. Like, it's cute to me. If you are a beginner and you want that nice frontal look without doing all the extra work, I honestly recommend Myfirstwig. They have never disappointed me. I have been working with them for a while, and they have really great quality. And the best part is it's beginner friendly. If you beautiful people have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch.